Very good morning to all of you. Today we will start chapter 22, probability. What is the meaning of probability? Probability means likelihood or possibility. Example I am telling you, if a coin is tossed once, what can come? Either head will come or tail will come. Means in simple language we can say what is the possibility that head will come, or what is the possibility tail will come. Okay, so how to find this probability? We have derived one formula. What is the formula? Let us see the formula. I have written below. PE means probability of event. How to find? Number of trials of event, number of trials divided by total number of trials. Okay, or second formula, or you can write number of favorable outcome. Number of favorable outcome means what is asked in the question divided by total number of outcomes. This formula I will explain with the help of exercise question. Let us see exercise question number 1. Read the question nicely. A single coin is tossed once, only once. Find the probability, means find the chance, possibility of getting a head. Question is, a coin is tossed. What is the chance that head will come? What is the chance? Now by your common sense you can say, in a single coin how many times head is there? Only one time. Okay, and total how many terms are there in coin? Two terms, one head, one tail. How to find this? With the help of formula. Check. Very simple. Check total number of possible outcome. Total number in coin, what is the total number of outcome? Means result. Two things are there, head and tail. Head and tail, total 2. So 2 I have written. Number of trials means what is asked in question. Question is asking head. How many head are in a coin? 1. So I have written 1. So I have written formula. Number of trials means we want head is 1. So in the up there is 1. In the down total number means 2. Remember one thing. In the numerator whatever is asked you have to write in the numerator, and in the denominator place you write always total number. Okay. Question number 2. A coin is tossed 80 times. This time coin is tossed 80 times. Out of 80 times head is obtained 38 times. Okay, 80 times you are tossing a coin. In that 80 times total 38 times head is coming. It means the remaining time tail is coming. Okay, now what is the chance? What is question number 1 in this? What will be the probability of getting a tail? Now question is asking what is the chance that tail will come. So let us see solution. Question number 2. Total number of possible outcome 80. Total number is 80. Number of head 38 given in the book. Number of tail 80 minus 38 42. Up to here no problem. Number 1. Probability of getting tail. How many time tail is there? 42. 42 by total means 42 by 80. Cancel it, 21 by 40. So what concept I have given you? Whatever is asked in the question, that is in the numerator up, and in the down total number. In this second number is getting a head. How many times head is there? 38. So 38 by 80 is our required answer. Okay. Very important 3 number. A dice is thrown 20 times and the outcomes are below. This time dice is thrown 20 times and it is arranged in table. Check outcome 1. In the dice, you know, in the dice all of you know the dice, in that it is printed Ludo you are playing 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so 1 is coming 2 times, 2 is coming 3 times, 3 is coming 4 times, 4 is coming 4 times, and so on like this. Okay, now in that what is asking now a dice is thrown at random. Find the probability of getting 3. Means when at random you are throwing the dice, what is the chance that 3 will come? Number 1. Second, what is the chance a number less than 3 will come? 3. What is the chance a number greater than 3 will come? In a dice, all of you know, numbers are printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So question number 1, what is the chance that 3 will come? So let us see once more the table. 3 was coming how many times? Check in solution part. Check solution. Total number of outcomes 20 given in question. Probability of getting 3, check where is 3. 3 is how many times? 4 times. So probability of getting 3, 4 by 20. Why 20? Total number is 20. Why 4? Because 3 is coming 4 times. So 4 by 20 means 1 by 5. Number 2, a number less than 3. Check in the table. Less than 3 means 2 and 1. 1 is how many times? 2 times. 2 is how many times? 3 times. So 2 plus 3, 5. 5 by 20 means 1 by 4. Understanding all of you? Third, a number greater than 3. Now see, number greater than 3. Number greater than 3 means 4, 5, 6. 4 is how many times? 4 times. 5 is 3 times. 6 is 4 times. So 4 plus 3 plus 4, 11. 11 by 20 is our required answer. So if you have not understood this, watch the video again and try to understand the concept. I have told you very clearly. Whatever you need, you write in the numerator, and in the denominator there is always total number. Probability is very easy chapter. First 5 minutes you give in the reading of the introduction of chapter. After that you can start the exercise. God bless you. Thank you. Have a good day.